Does Ally Bank work internationally? Intro. Hook. Have you ever dreamed of opening a high-yield savings account but found yourself limited by geographical boundaries? Today, we're diving into a question that many international travelers and expats have been asking. Does Ally Bank work internationally? Context. Ally Bank is renowned for its competitive interest rates, online-only model, and lack of fees. But can you enjoy these benefits from anywhere in the world? Let's find out. Main content. Understanding Ally Bank's international reach. Online-only model. Ally Bank is a digital-first bank, meaning it operates entirely online. This eliminates the need for physical branches, making it theoretically accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Geographical restrictions. While Ally Bank doesn't have physical branches, it does have certain geographical restrictions. These restrictions are primarily in place for regulatory compliance and to ensure they can effectively serve their customer base. U.S.-based customers. Ally Bank primarily caters to U.S.-based customers. This means that you'll generally need a U.S. address and a U.S. Social Security number to open an account. Challenges for international customers. Currency exchange. If you're not a U.S. resident, you'll likely need to deal with currency exchange fees when transferring money to and from your Ally Bank account. Regulatory compliance. Different countries have different banking regulations. Ally Bank may face challenges in complying with these regulations for international customers. Limited access to certain services. Some Ally Bank services, such as check cashing or in-person customer support, might not be available to international customers. Workarounds and alternatives. Virtual U.S. addresses. If you're determined to open an Ally Bank account, you might consider using a virtual U.S. address service. These services provide you with a U.S. mailing address that can be used for banking purposes. International banking options. While Ally Bank might not be the best option for international customers, there are many other banks that offer competitive rates and services. Research banks in your region or country to find the best fit for your needs. Currency conversion tools. If you do decide to use Ally Bank, consider using currency conversion tools to help you manage your finances and minimize exchange fees. Case studies. Success stories. Share stories of individuals who have successfully used Ally Bank internationally. Highlight their experiences, challenges, and how they overcame them. Cautionary tales. Also, discuss potential pitfalls and negative experiences that international customers may encounter. This will give viewers a realistic understanding of the challenges involved. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the challenges and potential workarounds for international customers. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on whether Ally Bank is a viable option for international customers. Encourage viewers to do their own research and consider alternative banking options. Outro. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and share the video. Question. Pose a related question to keep the conversation going and encourage viewer engagement. For example, what are your experiences with international banking? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Closing statement. End the video with a strong closing statement that reinforces the main message. For example, while Ally Bank may not be the perfect fit for everyone, it's worth considering if you're a U.S. resident or willing to explore workarounds. Remember, your financial goals are unique, so do your research and choose the bank that best suits your needs. Thank you. Thank viewers for watching and invite them to join you for future videos.